How to turn off stolen device protection on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily go into the settings on your iPhone and disable stolen device protection. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, simply open up the settings on our iPhone and then scroll down in the settings here. And we just want to go to Face ID and passcode, select that, go ahead and unlock your iPhone. And then once you get it unlocked and you're in Face ID and passcode, scroll down, it's near the bottom, and you'll see stolen device protection. Go ahead and select that. And to turn it off, all we need to do is toggle off stolen device protection. But before you do that, it's important to note that there most likely will be a security delay. So when you turn it off, it won't actually turn off instantly. It may make you wait an hour, maybe a little bit more before it actually is turned off. And this is to prevent people from stealing phones and knowing the passcode, being able to turn off stolen device protection. So down here, you have two options. If you select always, it'll always require the security delay. But if it notices you're at a familiar location, such as your home or work, then when you turn this off, it'll instantly disable it. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle it off. It's going to check my passcode. And then as you can see, it allowed me to turn it off because I am at my home. So it recognized it as a familiar location. If it did not turn it off for you, all you need to do is wait that timer out. You can use your phone, but do not restart your phone because that will require the timer to restart as well. So that's how you turn off stolen device protection on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.